Hey guys, today I'll be reacting to I'm Not an Egg by CG5 and Steak. So let's get right into it.
I am not the CEO of obesity. My tummy messing with your radio frequency. My rectum ain't a victim of toxicity. The quantities I consume unspeakably huge. Soft boiled, I don't get spoiled. Put me in a pan with extra virgin oil. Foil me, I'll scramble your leg. Cooking on this beat that I make. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited tins and rolls like that Michelin man. Can't escape my shadow, it's 40 pounds. Special pose or cake, it's a battleground. Throwing through in my mouth, it's a touchdown. Naming off my chins like some proper nouns. Family, sick of me, low key. Gotta pee, gotta poo, maybe hits a drive-through. McDonald's, Ronald on speed dial, but the ice cream machine's been down for a while. So am I. Wait, what? So am I. Wait, what? I can't take it anymore, I can't lie. Wait, what? It's existential, feeling like the fall guy. Wait, what? At this point, I'll take all your french fries.
Sir, this is a drive-through. You're holding up the line.
Oh, sorry. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Entertaining children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Got unlimited tins and rolls like the Michelin man. I'm not an egg. I'm not an
I have not streamed it, but I did react to it. So this video will be coming out very soon. Thank you for watching. Make sure
You messed up.
Nope, wrong song. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And YouTube, don't copyright this. Just reaction video. Disclaimer. I'm just entertaining people for my purpose. That's why I'm here. So, yep. So, make sure to subscribe to join the bird flock. And, well, yeah, see you in the next one, guys.